Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put the bike chain back on. So here we can see that the bike chain has dropped off from the rear, but on the front chain ring we are still good. So this is an internal gear bike. Similar would be for a fixed gear bike. But if you have a multi-gear bike and you have a derailleur here in the back, then I'll leave a link down below in the description for how to put the chain back on those. So this is a very easy process. You can do it like this without turning the bike, or you could turn the bike and it might be a bit easier. But we'll just start by let's just tilt the bike so that you can see the chain ring. So I'm putting the chain back here. The bike chain is not so loose that I could go fully around the chain ring. So I will need to rotate the pedal slightly, and then it kind of jumps onto the chain ring here on the back, and now we're actually already done. So it's quite easy, but the reason for the chain dropping off in the first place is that the chain is too loose. It shouldn't have this much wiggle room. So check the link down below in the description on how to tighten the chain on one of these internal gear bikes, because that's usually the reason why the chain is dropping off in the first place. And if it drops off once and you see the chain is loose like that, most likely it will keep doing that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.